video because it's gonna be a few days put together in one video. So this is the time normally where we start assessing our backyard and deciding, you know, what needs to be done, because during the fall and winter we kind of let it go. I mean, we try to keep up with it, but it's very difficult. We get a lot of weeds and pine needles and just a bunch of stuff. So one of the things, definitely the gazebo is gonna go. I had shoved that umbrella up there because my plants were under there, and it does have a cover, but the cover would keep flying off and then water would come in and hit my succulents or whatever. So I had shoved the umbrella. So the ugly umbrella is gonna go. That anyways, I'm gonna give the gazebo to my mother-in-law because it's fairly new. We only used it for a few months, and it's gonna go because I ordered a greenhouse. Not a really big one because I'm just not sure, you know. It's gonna be a new experience for me having a greenhouse. And yep, it's weird to have a greenhouse here in Florida, right, in the summertime, but it's gonna be good for me because we do get a lot of rain here, and like that I don't have to worry about my plants. I'll keep it cool in there as much as I can by leaving, you know, the door open, the vent open and whatever, but you guys will see all that. So for now we're cleaning all this up, and all that's gonna go, and then we'll have a really nice greenhouse, and then I'll set it up so that it looks really nice and pretty. So anyways, that's what we're gonna do. The grass, I don't know what we're gonna do with the grass because our dogs kill the grass with their pee. The pee kills the grass. So yeah, and the pine needles let go of acids, and that also kills the grass. So yeah, I mean, we put new grass in here already 3 times. It's ridiculous. So yeah, I don't know. And then it will also, we gotta mess with that stuff. We have to fix that jet ski, sell it, get it out of there, and just clean that area up really good. We would like to get rid of the trampoline and the playground and just, I don't know, do something different back there, but the girls are not ready to let go of it. So yeah, anyways guys, so I will show you when this is all empty. A little update from our last video. So that video I started Tuesday, that I told you I was going to remove everything that was over there and we're going to start cleaning it up. So we removed everything, and now Wednesday it was pouring rain, so it wasn't a good day to work outside. And now today my husband is pressure cleaning the pavers, cleaning it up very nice, and then today I get my greenhouse. Like I said before, I don't know if I'm going to record myself putting it up. We'll see. Maybe I'll just, I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, guys, thank you so much. I will continue the video. So, today is Friday, and I got the greenhouse last night pretty late. It came in 2 separate packages. The panels came in, and then the aluminum pieces came in a different box. Let me tell you, this was a headache and a half. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't think I would like to build this thing again. So I got this through Groupon for $164. This is originally $300. This is a 6x6. So it looks identical to Harbor Freight. My box did not say Harbor Freight, it said Kimbor. So it came from that company. I cannot find a way to contact the company. There's some pieces missing. I don't know if it's because it fell out of the box. I don't know. But their instructions were terrible. I'm gonna make a separate YouTube review on this. I just want to update you guys. This is you know, putting all those videos together that I did the past couple days together, just letting you know what a pain in the butt this was. If it wasn't for YouTube, thank you YouTube, if it wasn't for a certain guy that I found on YouTube, he did such a great job showing you how to put this together. So even though mine is not from Harbor Freight, it is pretty identical because even the numbers were matching his numbers. So a big pain in the butt. So I'm letting you know, if you want this, I don't know if the deal is going to be going on still through Groupon. Just you go to Groupon and you look up greenhouse. It's gonna be a headache. Just be prepared. Don't say I didn't tell you. It's gonna be a headache. I'm gonna make a separate YouTube, like I said, talking about this guy and his YouTube channel, where you can find his YouTube channel and see exactly step by step how he put his together, so that you guys can see. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. So guys, thank you so much. I'll be updating you guys on this. I will do a full review, and I will link the guy's YouTube channel into that video. Also, once it's all set up, I'll do a tour.